Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Star Tarot. I'm Navneet. Today I was very excited to make this video. From so long I was waiting to do this video. This video I'm doing for the beginners. This is the top 5 tarot decks for beginners only. Not only, professionals can use as well. Everybody has shown make the video for top 5 tarot decks for beginners. I thought let me the video for the mad modern deck as well, like classic, the traditional. Everybody has know about that decks and everybody has worked with it, but this time I was planning to show the modern decks for beginners. So this is my top 5 modern decks for business, for beginners, and it's very easy for them to learn because this all of the decks is based on RWS. So the first deck is here is the Light Years Tarot. This deck is the archetype, the traditional archetype and symbols in a contemporary boho and intuitive style. The Light Seers Tarot explores the light and shadow sides of our natures and that explores the lessons that can be learned from both. And the artwork is very beautiful. The artwork is very beautiful, colorful, and in a modern style. But when you see it, it will be very easy to use because it's simple and it's like RWS based deck. And this is one of my favorite deck too. You can read this deck as intuitive as well. Yeah. So this is very sturdy and beautiful deck with a sturdy box, and the bags are so beautiful. Next deck is the Modern Witch Tarot. This is totally RWS. Even the pictures is just there is feminine, more feminine in this deck. The bags are beautiful. The cardstock is superb, bit glossy, but very beautiful deck. Artwork also. Modern Witch Tarot is a magical take on traditional tarot symbolism inspired by fashion and modern witches from every walk of life. So you will see this deck is a beautiful color palette as well, very light colors, which I love about this deck. And if you see the artwork, it's totally RWA. It's just you will see in a modern style, and there is feminine energies, feminine pictures, a bit nudity, not much. But this deck works perfectly for beginners and as well as for professional too. I love this deck too as well. In these modern decks, I think they all of them are my favorite too. Next one is here, Games of Thrones. Everybody know about Games of Thrones. This is the back of the deck and it's done beautifully. Sorry, I haven't done this. Lisa Stella done this deck. This is by Chris Ann, and here comes the Game of Thrones. This is the Explorer of the Game of Thrones, beautiful, and the Holy Origin Tarot deck, and this is done by HB also, Chronicles Books, okay? And this is designed by Michael Morris, tested by Liz Dane. Backers are beautiful. Sorry guys, I was checking in the book the names. This deck is beautiful cardstock, linen finish. If you see, I hope you can see the linen finish. And the character they have given the name, I think it's perfect and right as well. It's perfect match. This is Judgment. I love working with this deck too. It's kind of more strong and good deck. I love the artwork and the cardstock. They are very beautiful. Okay, so I'm not going to show all of them. Few cards. Last one is the 8 Ink Statue Tarot. Sorry, by Lena Zellner. With this deck, beautiful guidebook, colorful, and for beginners it will be very easy to learn what this card meant. It's in a tattoo style, but perfect as a modern deck for beginners. Perfect. I think it's beautiful and colorful too. And you can see the artwork. It also this deck is also, why my decks are ups and down. Anyways, This deck is as well colorful and beautiful. I hope you guys can see, but this deck is a bit bigger for my hands, but still I love working with this deck. Very positivity, very strong deck. In this deck, feminine, also lot of artwork in the feminine. Lot of feminines are in this deck as well. Sorry. Sometimes I completely forget what to say or confused. Sorry about it. So this deck is 8 coins tattoo. This deck is also mass market, even light shears also, and modern witch as well. So last one is the fifth one, is this one, is the Cosmic Slumber Tarot. This is done by Tally Walden, and this board deck is by Liminal 11. This is also glossy, but RW is inspired deck. I like this deck also. The artwork is a bit different and quite modern style. It's a slumber, Cosmic Slumber Tarot. This is more of universe, where to sleep, where would your dreams leads. It's hand painting, bursting with colors. Imageries are subconscious and subliminal states. So this is beautiful. The Cosmic Slumber Tarot. So guys, this deck is very colorful too, if you see. So these are my top 5 modern tarot decks for beginners. I hope guys you like this, and I will highly recommend for beginners to try this modern decks. It works perfect. It's very simple and beautifully to work with. Thank you guys for watching. Namaste.